I love my CFMOTO oil change guide in two-wheel bike.
We will need a 19mm head socket, an oil filter removal tool, a new oil filter, a funnel, and 2.2 liters of 10W40 oil. First, loosen the oil drain nut that is located at the bottom of the engine. Remove the oil filter. Use a special tool to ease the operation. Change the copper washer on the drain plug and screw it back in. Fit the new oil filter. Always use some oil to lubricate the O-ring on the filter. Fill the motor with 2.2 liters of oil. Turn the engine and let it run for a few seconds. Turn it off and check the oil level. Please recycle used oil and filters responsibly and according to your local laws.
I love my CFMOTO, and now you know how to change oil in your bike.